WordPress 5.8 is now live, and this one is the second major release of 2021, and boy oh boy, this one is loaded with features. So let's dive in and I'll show you what are these new features. Let's begin. Hi, my name is Ankit and welcome to ankitsharma.tv, where I create videos related to WordPress like this one. And if you want to see more videos for WordPress like this, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload the next video. So here we have a fresh copy of WordPress setup, and if we go in the about section of this website, we can see that we have WordPress 5.8. The very first thing we see that we have manage widgets with blocks, which is very interesting because now you can use normal blocks in your widget section. And personally, I really wanted that feature. So in the last few videos, I was using Cadence theme to show you various things. And the place where I feel stuck is the point where I need to customize footers, because in footers I can go to footers, I can add widgets, but it was very restricted. Now I can just drop a widget here, and if I click on this wrench icon, now I see this box here where I can add different blocks. Like I can add maybe advanced heading, and I can just type in my heading here. And after that, I can just add all the elements available in the block section. So maybe I can add icon list, and it will start populating on my footer. And this is really helpful for me. Next new option is display post with new blocks and patterns. So if you are editing any page and you are stuck that how should I design my page, or how should I design my blog post, what elements to put in, then this is a lifesaver for you. So for example, let's go ahead and edit a page. So now you have pre-made patterns or pre-made blocks that you can just copy paste from WordPress website into your own website. Now, if you go to this URL, wordpress.org/patterns, you will now see a beautifully designed layouts and blocks for your website. For example, if you have a podcast or that you want to show on your website and you are just trying to figure out what should be the best design for that, you have a block here ready to use. All you have to do is just copy this from the WordPress website, and now you can come down to your own website, and on any page you can just paste this block, and now you have a completely new section designed for you, which you have just imported from WordPress website, and you don't have to do anything about it. It's all ready-made for you. So there are various pretty interesting sections here that you can use on your website, and I'm sure these patterns will keep growing in future. So now you don't have to worry about how should I start designing my page and what should be the look and feel. So those days are now gone. Now the next big thing is the image dual tone. Now we use various images on our pages and blog posts, and now you can go ahead and customize all these images with some dual tone option. So on any image you can just mouse over to this option. It says apply dual tone filter. If you click on that, there are various ready-made filters available here, and if you are good at it, you can play around with these colors, but I don't think I am very good in this, so I will not mess up my cake, so I will leave it as it is. And here is one more new option, that is add text over images. So if I click on that and if I start typing, so we can put this text here, we can align it to center. So now this image is actually a cover block where we have the image in the background, and here we have the focus point option here so that you can point out the main area of focus for this. This one is also very interesting, and here we have the position for where we want to put our text, so we can play around with that as well. So it's a pretty interesting option if you are planning to create some hero sections on your website. Now the next change is an update in the list view. If you click on that, here you can see how your elements are laid out on this page. So if you want to select any particular element or any particular block, so you can go ahead and see how all these elements are laid out under one another. So if I need to select this separator, I just need to either click on this here, or I can just see the list view and jump directly on it from here. So now it'll easy for me to navigate all the elements on my page. Now one big change is in the block section, where we now have some blocks which are useful for theme editor. Like we have the site logo block and we have the login and logout block. We also have blocks for query loop or post list. Like if we drop this query loop here, we now have option that we can show our blog post anywhere in form of a grid or maybe in form of a carousel view. So these blocks can be used to create custom templates for your website. So now, like page builders, you will be able to create templates for your WordPress website, and I would love to see it getting stronger in the next release of WordPress. So we will create a separate video for that. So I'm really looking forward for this theme customization option. After that, we have an update that we can now use WebP images on WordPress. So earlier you cannot directly upload WEP images on your WordPress website. So you need to use normal formats like JPG or PNG or maybe GIFs. So now you can compress your images in WEP format without using any external plugin, and then you can add it on your WordPress blogs or pages, and this will be a big improvement in your site performance. Another great updates in version 5.8 is that now you have ability to add PDFs with preview on your blog post or maybe on your landing pages. So we are in this page edit, and if we go ahead and add file, so we add this file block, we go to our media library, and here we have a PDF. So if we select this PDF, so now we have the PDF right here in the WordPress editor, and you just don't get the link to download, you also get a kind of a complete reader right in your WordPress site. If you go ahead and publish this page, and let's click on view, so here we see the page with our embedded PDF here, and we also have the download option below that. So that's a really cool addition in this new version of WordPress, and I can't wait to use it more. So I would love to see their roadmap ahead and how these things improve in future. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. So that's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next one.